This is Ypres in western Belgium. It was here in 1914 that the Allied armies of Britain, France and Belgium clashed head-on with the invading German armies. It was to be the start of 4 years of bitter fighting that saw this place emerge as the most dreaded killing ground of the First World War.
During the First World War, Ypres was all but completely destroyed. The Cloth Hall and St. Martin's Cathedral reduced to piles of rubble. In the years after the war, the town was rebuilt. Within months, thousands of battlefield pilgrims began to arrive, most of them the relatives of those who died. Some came to find the place where their loved one had been lost, others to wonder at the scale of the destruction. Now they come to trace their fathers, grandfathers or great-grandfathers, and to learn more about the war to end all wars. Today, visitors of all ages and interests come to Ypres, from parties of school children to war historians like me, who come to find out what happened during more than 4 years of bitter fighting.